Planning a trip to Barcelona? Wondering what to do in this vibrant city? Well, you're in for a treat. Barcelona, the heart of Catalonia, is a city steeped in history, adorned with stunning architecture and buzzing with an infectious energy that's hard to resist. As you amble along its ancient, winding streets, you'll be greeted by the aroma of mouth-watering tapas, the rhythm of flamenco music, and the sight of architectural wonders that have stood the test of time. From the whimsical creations of Gaudí to the hustle and bustle of the lively markets, Barcelona is a feast for the senses, a city that effortlessly combines the old with the new. And we're here to guide you through it all. We've curated a list of top 5 must-experience activities to help you make the most of your visit. So, buckle up as we venture into the heart of Catalonia and unveil our top 5 must-experience activities in Barcelona. Starting off at number 5, we have the mouth-watering journey of sampling local tapas. Dive into the heart of Spanish culture with this delightful culinary tradition. Tapas, the small, savory dishes typically enjoyed with drinks, are an integral part of the social fabric in Spain. Barcelona, with its vibrant and diverse food scene, offers a smorgasbord of tapas that can cater to every palate. The city is teeming with tapas bars, each offering their unique spin on these bite-sized delicacies. From bustling markets to cozy neighborhood spots, you'll find an array of places to embark on your tapas adventure. As for the tapas themselves, the variety is staggering. You'll find everything from patatas bravas, crispy potatoes smothered in spicy tomato sauce and aioli, to pulpo a la gallega, tender octopus sprinkled with paprika. There's also pan con tomate, a simple yet delectable dish of bread rubbed with ripe tomatoes, garlic, and drizzled with olive oil. Not to forget, the classic Spanish tortilla, a thick, hearty omelet packed with potatoes and onions. And don't skip the seafood tapas. Barcelona's coastal location means you'll get some of the freshest seafood around. Dishes like gambas al ajillo, sizzling shrimp sautéed in garlic, and boquerones en vinagre, anchovies marinated in vinegar, are a testament to the city's love affair with seafood. So whether you're a foodie or not, tapas in Barcelona are a must-try. It's not just about the food, but the experience. A slice of Spanish life served on a small plate. Remember, no trip to Barcelona is complete without indulging in the local tapas scene. Coming in at number 4 is the exploration of the iconic Gothic Quarter. This enchanting neighborhood is the heart of Barcelona, filled with centuries-old charm and a labyrinth of narrow, winding streets. Here you can truly immerse yourself in the city's rich history, dating back to Roman times. Imagine strolling through the cobbled lanes with the whisper of the past echoing around you. The age-old stone buildings, with their intricate facades, are a testament to the architectural prowess of the bygone era. Each corner you turn, each alley you explore, reveals another slice of Barcelona's storied past. Nestled within the Gothic Quarter, you'll find the awe-inspiring Barcelona Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. This majestic cathedral, with its soaring spires and intricate stonework, is a sight to behold. Stepping inside, you're greeted by the hushed reverence and the stunning stained glass windows, casting a kaleidoscope of colors onto the ancient stone floor. But the Gothic Quarter is more than just its history and architecture. It's also a vibrant hub of life, brimming with quaint cafes, bustling markets, and charming boutiques. Here, you can enjoy a leisurely cup of coffee, browse through local artisanal crafts, or simply soak in the vibrant atmosphere. The Gothic Quarter truly is a time capsule, taking you back to Barcelona's rich past. It's an exploration that engages all your senses, immersing you in the rhythm and soul of the city. At number 3, we have the awe-inspiring visit to La Sagrada Familia. This iconic basilica is the epitome of Barcelona's spirit, a city that dares to dream big and bold. La Sagrada Familia is more than a century in the making, with construction beginning in the late 19th century. Yet, like a fine wine, it only gets better with time. The basilica is the brainchild of Antoni Gaudí, a visionary architect whose unique style marries nature and architecture in a harmonious symphony. His grand vision for La Sagrada Familia is a testament to his genius, with intricate details that captivate the eye and the soul. From the towering spires reaching towards the heavens to the richly detailed facades, each telling a biblical story, the basilica is a marvel of human creativity and persistence. Walking through the vast nave, bathed in a kaleidoscope of colors from the stained glass windows, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. It's an emotional journey, a reminder of the power of human imagination and the enduring legacy of art. La Sagrada Familia is not just a visit, it's an experience. It's a plunge into a world of beauty and awe, a journey through time, and a testament to the power of human will. As you leave, you carry with you a piece of Barcelona's heart, etched in the stone of this magnificent basilica. La Sagrada Familia, a testament to human imagination, is a must-visit for any Barcelona trip. Our second must-experience activity is a scenic stroll in Park Güell. This isn't just any park. Picture a kaleidoscope of colors, a mosaic of creativity, an open-air gallery that merges nature and artistry in a uniquely Gaudí style. Welcome to Park Güell, Barcelona's most enchanting park. Born from the creative genius of Antoni Gaudí, Park Güell is a testament to his whimsical architectural style. Developed between 1900 and 1914, it was originally intended as a housing site for Barcelona's elite. However, the project morphed into a public park that now stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park's eccentricity is visible in its flamboyant mosaic designs, peculiar sculptures, and serpentine benches. Every nook and corner of Park Güell is filled with Gaudí's imaginative prowess. But it's not just about art. It's a place where nature meets fantasy. The park is home to a variety of local flora, offering a refreshing green oasis amidst the city's hustle. And let's not forget the breathtaking vistas. From the park's highest point, you can soak in panoramic views of Barcelona, with the city's skyline punctuated by the spires of La Sagrada Familia and the blue Mediterranean in the background. This, my friends, is the perfect spot for that Instagram-worthy snapshot. Park Güell offers a delightful insight into Gaudí's mind, a place where architecture, art, and nature dance in harmonious unison. A stroll in Park Güell is a walk in Gaudí's imagination. And finally, coming in at number 1 is the passionate and fiery flamenco show. Originating from Andalusia's gypsy culture, flamenco has become a symbol of Spanish identity, a pulsating display of rhythm, color, and emotion. This art form, recognized by UNESCO as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity, combines singing, guitar playing, and dance into a captivating spectacle. In Barcelona, flamenco shows are a nightly occurrence, with performances that will leave you spellbound. As the dancers stomp their feet and the guitarists strum their strings, you'll feel the passion and intensity that make flamenco so unique. As they say in Spain, duende, the spirit of evocation comes alive in these performances, reaching out and touching the very soul of the audience. So, when in Barcelona, let the flamenco rhythms move you. It's an unrivaled experience, not to be missed. So, there you have it, the top 5 must-experience activities in Barcelona. From savoring mouth-watering tapas, wandering through the enchanting Gothic Quarter, marveling at La Sagrada Familia, leisurely strolling in Park Güell, to immersing yourself in the vibrant flamenco culture. Each one is a unique adventure, offering a different facet of Barcelona's rich tapestry. They're not just activities, but experiences, waiting to become your cherished memories. Remember, Barcelona is not just a city, but an experience. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable journey.